Have you ever dreamt about foundation that will be enough for your whole life? Or about eyeshadow that fits into a Matchbox? Watch miniature and giant makeup to meet any taste in our new video. Here you go! I have run out of my foundation again. All of a sudden, my old friend from Alice in Wonderland appears next to me. She walked her dog and put on a baseball hat so that the paparazzi wouldn't recognize her. Alice gets down to business at once. Voila! I've got gigantic foundation in my hands. Paint a big jar in cream color from the inside. Paint and cut out a makeup brand logo and glue it to the side of the jar. Trace the lid on a piece of extruded polystyrene foam. Cut it out. Cut 2 smaller circles and a rectangular nozzle out of the extruded polystyrene foam. Hot glue the biggest circle to the lid. Put together and hot glue the dispenser. Cut in half a plastic bottle of an appropriate size. Attach the dispenser to the lid. Try the clear bottle cap on. Excellent! Cover the dispenser. Attach double-sided tape to the bottom part and fasten a strip of a foam rubber sheet to the tape. Put the dispenser on the jar. Cover the rest with black acrylic paint and put a clear cap with the light top on. The foundation is so enormous! It will last for a long time. But how should I apply it? Shall I dip my face directly into the jar? Alice has the solution. She claps her hands and a giant sponge appears in her hands. Make a circle on a sleeping pad. Cut it out and paint both sides with light acrylic paint. I can apply the foundation to my entire body with a makeup sponge like this. I just touch my face with it, and the foundation is applied as if by itself. We put the foundation on our faces and hands. We can actually apply it to everything around us. Alice tries her best and conjures… Oops! What is this tiny thing? These are mini makeup pencils. Cut the slanted ends off orange wood sticks. Cover one end with black acrylic paint. Leave the sharp end unpainted. Make the second stick silver. Do not paint the sharp end of this one either. Paint the tip of the silver pencil pink. And paint the tip of the black pencil black. Attach the corresponding nail stickers to the pencils. The silver one is a lip liner and the black one is an eye pencil. I take the lip liner. It is so tiny. I define my lips with it. I should be careful not to confuse it with a toothpick. Alice herself sometimes fails to find the tiny eye pencil. It can blend in with its surroundings. All of my lip glosses and lipsticks are so pale. I want something bright. Alice conjures desperately, but it seems to be for nothing. Oh, what is this nice thing in my makeup bag? It's a cute lipstick miniature. It turns out that Alice has succeeded, but this time the makeup appeared not in her hands, but right in my makeup bag. Take off a clear cap of a lipstick tester. Make a silver edge on it. Cover the rest of the cap with black acrylic paint. Decorate the top with a plastic rose. The lipstick is tiny, but it does its job perfectly. Now I look as bright as a rose. I am missing one detail for a fabulous makeup. I need to emphasize my eyes. But what should I use for my eye makeup? Alice takes out a mini eyeshadow. Paint an empty Matchbox black. Color the outer cover of the Matchbox black too. Leave one side unpainted. Make only a black frame. Cover the middle with a few layers of silver paint. And decorate with nail stickers. Cut an empty blister package to fit the inside part of the box. Paint it black too. Crush eyeshadow you broke or finished using and fill the sections of the blister. Add a drop of rubbing alcohol and compact the eyeshadow. Put the palette miniature into the box. It's like a miracle! The eyeshadow is small indeed, but it works well. I do makeup to my magic friend, emphasizing her eyes. Then I try to define her cheekbones, but all I managed to do is a pink dot. It's okay. I repeat it on her other cheek. Alice doesn't mind. Are there different beauty standards in Wonderland? Where is my eyeshadow? The problem with the makeup miniatures is that you can lose it easily. Here we go. I've lost the magic present, and Alice will never conjure for me anymore. Keep calm. Alice has prepared a special palette, which is hard to let out of sight for those who keep losing makeup. Trace a square plastic food container on a piece of extruded polystyrene foam. Cut it out and paint it black. Let the detail dry and put it into the container. Mark the middle on a foam plastic ball. Measure out ½ inch to both sides beyond the middle line. Draw the lines and cut out the ball. Cover the semi-sphere with acrylic paint and sprinkle it with glitter of an appropriate color as long as the paint is wet. Make 4 semi-spheres of different pastel shades and attach them to the XPS bottom of the box. Print out a makeup brand logo and attach it to the lid of the container. Oh, it's so cute! The huge eyeshadow palette is what any girl dreams about. You definitely won't lose it. I want to apply the eyeshadow with my finger, but my hand is way too small. Alice slaps me on my hand. Don't touch it with your hands. You need a special tool to apply this beauty. And a giant applicator appears in my magic fairy hands. Take a plastic wrap or foil tube and mark 1 inch from each end. Cover the middle with bright acrylic paint. Paint the ends black. Wrap a piece of XPS with polyester fiber filling. Wind thread around to fasten the detail. Make 2 identical details and attach them to both ends of the tube. Print a logo and attach it to the applicator. I start juggling with my new present. Be careful! Don't hurt your eye you are going to put your makeup on. Then my magical makeup artist takes matters into her hands. She takes some eyeshadow onto the applicator and applies it to my eyes. Splendid! The giant makeup looks like magic, except that there's one problem. How should I tuck it into my little purse? My vain attempts make Alice laugh. You need a whole suitcase for this makeup, but not a makeup bag. And if you don't have a suitcase, you can make mini versions of your needed makeup products to fit in your small makeup bag. For example, this lovely little highlighter. Paint an empty glitter container black. Leave the center of the lid clear. Fill the container with highlighter balls. Decorate the lid using nail stickers. This highlighter is so tiny that you can keep it in your pocket. You don't need any makeup bag for it. Alice doesn't mind doing her makeup too. She emphasizes her lips with tender mini lip gloss. Here you are. Take my mirror. Cut off the bottom of a single-use toothpaste tube. Take out the paste left over and clean the tube. Mix pink eyeshadow with Vaseline. Put the gloss into the tube. Close the hole with a binder clip and heat it over a candle to seal the hole. Paint the tube black. Cover the cap with silver paint. Attach small nail stickers to the tube. The lip gloss is so cute! I'm sure the fairies use makeup like this. I want to learn how to conjure. What if I managed to make a makeup miniature all of a sudden? I direct all of my energy. Makeup us, appear us! Oh, magic! I've conjured a mini eye pencil. I show my invention to Alice. And why isn't she amazed? It's a pity that the pencil doesn't work. We will fix this function next time. Did you like our weird makeup ideas? Then write in your comments which size of makeup you choose, mini or a giant one. And be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you always keep up with all the magic stuff.